Your Roku remote is dead, the TV is stuck, and you are reaching your breaking point. Don't throw it yet, we are going to fix this right now. First, identify your target. Simple remotes use infrared and need line of sight. Voice remotes are wireless and are the ones that actually need pairing. Check your battery compartment for a button. The most common failure is the simplest one. Swap your batteries for fresh ones. Even if they are new, take them out for 10 seconds to reset the remote's internal logic. Use high-quality alkaline batteries. Now for the cold boot. Unplug your Roku device from the power source. Wait for 30 seconds. This clears the cache and forces the device to look for your remote again upon startup. Found the button? Press and hold it for 5 seconds until the status light flashes. Move the remote close to the Roku. You should see a pairing message appear on your screen. This can take up to 30 seconds. No button? No problem. Hold down the back button and the home button together for 5 seconds. This is the secret handshake that triggers pairing mode on newer models. Watch for the light to blink. Check for interference. Other devices on the 2.4 gigahertz frequency can jam the signal. If you use a streaming stick, an HDMI extender can help move it away from the TV's metal shielding. This reduces electronic noise. If the physical remote is still dark, use the Roku mobile app on your phone. It connects via Wi-Fi and lets you navigate to the settings menu to manually repair your hardware remote. It acts as a bridge. Using the app, perform a system restart. Go to Settings, then go to System, then go to Power, then select Restart. This often fixes deep software glitches that prevent pairing without losing your data. Outdated software can break the link. In the Settings menu, go to System, then select System Update. Select Check Now to ensure your Roku and your remote are speaking the same digital language. If your remote pairs but doesn't control volume, you need to set up CEC. Go to Remotes and Devices, select your remote, and select Setup Remote for TV Control. Follow the on-screen prompts. If all else fails, a factory reset is the final measure. Go to Settings, then System, then Advanced System Settings. Choose Factory Reset. Warning, this erases all your custom data. If you are still stuck, drop a comment below. I reply within 1 hour. Like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes for more fixes. You have got this. Stay focused. Reassurance is key. Mission complete.